What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Alright, today I'm going to talk about some methods on how to make some money. A lot of y'all be messaging me and have no clue in the world what is going on. If you are a beginner, I would recommend starting on CCs, but there's no true guarantee of that working. Y'all niggas be expecting to spend a little bit of money and then get rich overnight. It don't really work like that. If you get a CC that's hitting, you can buy some design, you can buy some shoes, some clothes, and resell them, or you can keep it for yourself. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Now, you're going to get tired of that because over time, you're going to realize that not every CC hits, and you do not get as much money as you think you're going to get off of a CC. The next best play is to do bank plays. Learn how bank logs work and learn how to make your own checks. This is where the most money is made, and if you want to have a consistent income, this is the best way to go. If you want to learn how to do any of this, message me on Telegram. Now, the most lucrative way to make money is through using CPNs, but the only thing about CPNs is that it takes a little bit of money for you to get started up. But once you get your CPN up, and you get your credit cards, you can have unlimited access to any amount of credit. All you do is build multiple CPNs at one time.